Well, everybody, we made it to the weekend. We made it through January, which felt like it took forever. Seems like quite a while ago we were looking at blankets of snow across parts of Texas. Well, now we have sunshine, above normal temperatures, gusty winds, and the threat of high to extreme fire danger in the state of Texas. Let's go ahead and talk about how warm we're going to get this February in this weekend edition of the Texas Weather Roundup. And happy Saturday, everybody. I'm meteorologist Jason Cooley with the Texas Storm Chasers. And our storm chaser, Alex Bartholomew, set up this wonderful podcast studio where we're going to be throwing out some new videos on the Texas Storm Chasers YouTube channel, such as podcast episodes. So that's where I'm at today. You're not going to have toys and clutter in the background for this one, but I hope you like the instrumentation. So again, we're going to have perhaps record-breaking warm temperatures, especially on Monday in parts of Texas. Might see some upper 80s to almost 90-degree temperature readings. We're going to be on the lookout for some extreme fire danger as well, with extremely dry conditions, of course, warm temperatures. We have gusty winds. Going to be concerned, especially in the Panhandle, where we have some minor drought. We'll show you the drought graphic, but we have some concerns for some fire danger. So we're hoping that everybody plays it as safe as possible. Overall, just above normal temperatures for the state. Rather dry, maybe a couple instances of rain showers in parts of the state, but overall dry, warm, windy, and maybe smoky if things start catching on fire. Let's go ahead and take a look at our high-resolution rapid refresh model. And this is going to be a pretty short video, let me tell you now. Well, the next 48 hours are going to be pretty quiet in the state of Texas. We're going to have maybe some sea fog, very light showers in the Gulf, maybe reaching the Gulf Coast. But that's it, dry in the state. Looking at a bit of a longer range model, the GFS, maybe some passing showers Tuesday, very isolated stuff. Overall, signal remains dry through the week. We'll have to see what the groundhog says tomorrow, but it looks like spring's trying to come early with 70s and 80s dominating the states tomorrow, Sunday afternoon. Monday, we really crank up the temperatures. We're going to be close to 90 degrees in parts of northwest Texas, the Rio Grande Valley, the Permian Basin, Trans-Pecos regions, 70s and 80s elsewhere. Closer look at northwest Texas, we'll hit 85, Wichita Falls and Childress. Could be closer to 90 in places like the Caprock Canyons, Paladero Canyon. On Tuesday, we'll still be warmer, maybe not as sizzling, but still mid and upper 80s in parts of Texas Tuesday afternoon. So we're going to be flirting with record-breaking temperatures, if not breaking those record temperatures Monday, maybe even Tuesday, maybe going into Wednesday as well. Here's a look at the latest drought monitor map for the state of Texas. We have extreme new exceptional drought in parts of the Big Bend region, Trans-Pecos region, Davis-Guadalupe mountain regions of far west Texas. We have extreme drought and severe drought dominating San Antonio area, parts of Hill Country, and the Edwards Plateau. So naturally, the wildfire potential is going to be our main story here on the Texas Weather Center. I know it's not super sexy of a conversation, but it is what it is. Please be careful out there. Don't start wildfires. We already saw one in the Panhandle today near Fritch, Lake Meredith, that burned over 300 acres. So we're definitely in that time of year where we can see wildfires in the state of Texas quickly just go bonkers. The dry vegetation, dry windy conditions. Well, and that's all I have for you guys today. Very, very short video. Don't have a whole lot to talk about. We might not even see rain this week. There's a couple brief chances we'll see some passing showers. We'll have sea fog near the coast, but other than that, warm conditions, overall dry conditions will prevail in the state of Texas. So you get a short, fairly boring weekend video from me, but hey, we'll see what Baldy and Chief comes back on Monday to talk about. See if Mama Nature wants to throw a wrench in some plans, there's a chance we'll probably be seeing colder temperatures arriving sometime around February 9th or 10th. That looks like when we might see a pattern shift, but we're not going to really look too far into the future because, as you know, models are quite unreliable over a week out. So, going to go ahead and bid you a wonderful rest of your weekend. Won't be a video tomorrow, but again, Baldy and Chief will be back on Monday with that morning edition of the Roundup. So, as always, you can find us on the web, our free mobile app, Texas Storm Chasers. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Threads, Blue Sky, stuff like that. And you'll get a plethora of forecast updates and storm chasing photos and videos and stuff like that. And when we start recording some podcast episodes here in this studio that Alex Bartholomew built, we'll have those published as well on the Texas Storm Chasers YouTube. If you're not following us there, go ahead and give us a subscribe on that channel as well. So y'all have a good rest of your weekend, and we'll see you on Monday. God bless.